Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to check your spam and junk folder in Gmail and also how to recover any messages that might have ended up there by mistake. This should only take a few minutes. So first, open up your Gmail. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of folders. Scroll down and click on the one that says More. Once that expands, keep scrolling until you see the spam folder and go ahead and click on it. This is where Gmail puts any emails it thinks might be spam, so you'll find all of those messages here. Now, if you want to look at one of those messages more closely, just click on it. At the top of the message, you'll see several options. You can mark it as unread, move it to a different folder, or even mute future notifications from that sender. Here are the buttons right here. If the message isn't actually spam, click on the button that says Not Spam to remove it from the spam folder. That will move the message back to your inbox, but if you change your mind, don't worry, you can undo that by clicking the Undo button, and the message will return to the spam folder. Next, let's take a look at the trash folder. This is sometimes called the junk folder, and it's where Gmail puts messages you've deleted. Just like with spam, you can restore messages from here by clicking on them and then hitting the Restore button. And that's it. That's how you check your spam and junk folders in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.